fell asleep by the river. Cheers! Day 3. Fell asleep. Being on a bus to the
Letting them
fortress.
set me free, heading for new sights. Going to a brand new place. No reason left for me to stay. Moving at a brand new pace. Finally found my way. Miles away, baby, 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 I'm going.
So apparently this is our cup. We're like dogs. So we're in the bathroom and apparently this is
Fade as the distance blurs it all. Memories I've saved are all that's left to hold.
super strange.
New base. Finally found my way. Miles away, baby, 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 baby.
Melissa's here!
I'm going.
This one is a Korean. So this one's like really high quality one. One in 100. Yeah. Okay.
30.
4. You were supposed to higher than 3. Oh wait, no, me. 4. 4. Sorry, I said 8. Okay, then you were so higher than no. Higher than 4. Higher than 4. So say another one. Oh. 14. 14. Higher. Oh. Lower.
18.
Lower. Oh, you twin. I like this number game. I like this number game. Playing your favorite song, Daniel.
So baby, coming up there in the
Really good.
Is that good?
It's spicy though.
That's spicy.
It used to be that way until Mel started doing dishes.
They said it's non-spicy. It looks hella spicy.
Dude, I told you. That's when I got the first bit.
Nice. That's what I want. Spicy.
You didn't believe us yesterday.
I know. Morning. Cheese ramen.
Morning.
This incline though.
Another one.
Another one. We hike every day.
Yeah.
Fit life, fit fam. Day 5.
Halfway.
Halfway. We're picking out our breakfast before we go to the hike.
Oh, tuna. Tuna everywhere.
This is tuna.
See a picture of.
Here we go. Here we go. Ooh. 5. You're 4. All the way up.
It's not as simple as telling you. No, no. It's not as simple, no words will do. No, no. It's not as simple as telling you. No, no. It's not as simple, no words will do. No, no. The road is winding, never ending.
Wow.
2, 3. Oh, it's wrapped for you.
Cheers. Cheers, baby. we're chasing with this 3% like weed soda, strawberry weed soda. Yeah, 3%. Woo! Hardcore. That's smart, dude. Biggie smart.
I'm a developer, engineer.
What do you think?
So you guys are dumb and
No, it's...
Oh, I don't know.
What? What? What are we?
Rubbing off on you.
in a bad way.
I'm a software engineer, so like... How dumb can I get?
He failed his first test.
Failed the test.
Wow!
Not about where you start, it's about how you finish.
Okay, taking the shot. Cheers! You have this camera?
I haven't yet at all.
Cheers! Struggle day today. We made it! We're alive! Alive AF. So alive. Is it good?
No, I don't know. It tastes like nothing.
Cereal?
Now record it. Jam said.
Jam said.
You say nothing can stop me, da da da. You only say all in all.
Why would I say that?
On the street.
Okay, you guys. Shot.
Good person, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
On our way to Ghana. Clubbing night.
The only way is up from here, don't look down. I only feel good energy all around me. Look to the sky, don't need to leave my feet on the ground. Oh, not now. Rise and shine. Oh, rise and shine. Don't let nobody take your light away. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. Oh, yeah, yeah. The only way is up from here, don't look down. I only feel good energy all around me. Look to the sky, don't need to leave my feet on the ground. Oh, not now.
So good.
Oh, not now. Spread my wings out, ain't no need to hide. No,
Favorite.
no, I won't be that angel in disguise. Open up my heart, no need to fight it. When you see the love, just look in my eyes. Rise and shine.
On our way to Tuscany.
Breakfast.
This is one stage, this is another stage, and like all the way back there is another stage. This is like crazy. Woo! Last day in Korea.
Onions on sale.
How do you say hi in Korean?
Onions on sale.
안녕하세요. Drink it. I have to film him in order for him to actually drink. Look. Oh, see? Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, wow. So good.
What are you drinking, Jess?
I'm the photographer, videographer.
Oh, a drunk photographer.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that one?